Yes, right.
Okay.
Yeah. Then,
So,
okay.
sorry, please speak. You were saying something?
Okay. Do you wanna join any department in future, or you don't wanna join any department in future?
No, actually, I want to enhance my family business.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. So,
You don't want to join in different sector, right? Because you have a busy
yeah,
schedule. Yeah, before you
yeah,
told
of
it,
course.
it is a good. Do you hire any kind of skillful employee, on skill employee? Have you hired?
Yeah,
Oh,
there are some good salesmen. There are some good salesmen we have.
right,
Those
right.
those are good in selling and also to communicate with their customers with a
Mhm.
polite way, without good way, and
Right.
a good way.
Right. Because you belong to business family, then definitely you have deep knowledge about business, how to run, how to attract with customer, how to misbehave with your worker, right? You see them as a family members, right? Uh, then
Yeah,
they return with
that's a
you
work family.
long
That's a
time.
work family.
Yeah. Otherwise, sometime what happen? People always changes their means shop, right? They don't stay
Yeah, yeah,
long time to one business. People they do this
yeah,
kind
yeah.
of. That's why if you treat them as a, family member and you never see them as a worker, then definitely you grow your business. Because if you take care them,
Yeah,
they take care you. They take care your business, right?
yeah,
Yeah, and if you don't take care them, then definitely they don't take care your business. That's why both are,
yeah,
means like a sibling, right? Employee
yeah,
and
yeah,
owner of the business, worker and
yeah.
owner
Yes,
of the
yes.
business. They are two sibling. If they work together, then your business grow. The sky is the limit, right? But if you means treat as a worker, then you cannot survive long time in one business, right? Because you have a
By the
deep
way,
knowledge about.
I'm sorry. Have you ever done any job after that 2018?
You can say I also quit. Yeah, I also quit.
Okay, so what have you done in qualifications in graduation?
BSc.
BSc
Yep.
with nursing.
No, no, no nursing. BSc only. Simple graduation.
So after that, you have joined any department, any company, something.
Yeah, yeah, you are right.
Okay, so how long you have worked?
You can say 5 6 years.
So you just quit your job before some days.
Yeah.
Around when?
Around 6 months after that, right now I am trying to improve my language and I want to do different work. I have a long term and short term goal on my hand. That's why right now I want to enhance my English speaking. You know how much required English language in our life, not only personal or professional life, right? It is required
Mm,
in our life.
yeah, yeah,
At least we can communicate with anyone. At least we can drafting any kind of letters, email, right? If you have knowledge,
yeah,
then you can do it. Otherwise you cannot do it, right? Then I
yeah,
am working this kind of. Right now we are talking each other, it is a survival language, right? Where are you
yeah,
from? What do you do? What's your goal? What's your future plan? Why you want to learn language? What food do you like? Which dress do you like? What color do you like? It is not enough to be a professional type of language, right? We have to
yeah,
just, we are here to keep on touching English language through platform because we don't have language partner and we don't get atmosphere to interact with anyone 10 to 5 minutes per day, right? That's why we keep on touching English language through platform because or